a beautiful car. Yeah. Me. So sad.
I got a new project car. It's my 69 GTO. And manual steering. It's been sitting since 78. So far I hooked the battery up to it, try to get some of the electrics to come on. I've been working with the lights and a couple bad grounds because they weren't coming on. And one of the bulbs was out in the front, so I had to get a new one of those. And the high beams are out too. I don't need those to pass inspection though, so I can get by with just the low beams. I had to take the switch out and clean it all up. It was all corroded on the inside, and got the switch working good. All the rest of the lights are good though, which is a plus. So I'm gonna go ahead and test the brake lights right now. It's got a little under 100,000. No clock, unfortunately. The dash is solid though. There's that little tiny chip right there, but other than that, not too bad. The seats are, they're gone, but not too far gone. I'll definitely be able to work them. Oh, and I got the engine to turn over. I got my jack handle here, and you can see I still got to clean it up, the weld spots on there. I welded it to the pulley to get some leverage on it, so the bar came out to like way up here, and I was able to turn it just slightly, back and forth, wiggle it, and it broke free. So I also pulled the starter out, cleaned it off and everything, and it works fine. So I'm able to crank it over now. All the tires aired up, everything. This is about the best view I can get, being all tucked away in the carport. It's getting there, slowly but surely. The next step I gotta do is I gotta get a new cap because the old one broke. I drained the oil, put a new filter on, new oil, and yeah, just waiting on the cap. Pretty glad I got all the lights working. All right, got to a point where I'm going to try to start the GTO. All right, they're about to get real excited because it's gonna be loud probably. If it even starts. I gotta get my tripod.
Oh.
Try to film it. Got everything set up. Got the new distributor cap. I'm gonna use the old spark plugs for now. That coil is good. I tested it with the points. It was getting sparks, so let's see if this puppy fires off. Got the jump starter.
It's just started. What is it?
Dude. Well, if you can't get it like running for a while, you know,
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to rebuild the carburetor anyway, but like, or find something to put in that hole to fill it up. Because it looks like it'll run, dude. It just needs fuel, constant fuel. I want to hear it run this forward. Alright. You want to start it? Sounds good.
Yeah.
Dude, it sounds really good.
It's just idling, dude.
Yeah. It's this vacuum leak. So you had a great success today. I just wanted to look at all the lights at night. Make sure everything's working still.